Hi everyone, once again welcome back to my channel. I hope you people are doing good. So in today's video, I am going to discuss the detailed strategy of sociology optional. And before discussing the strategy, if you don't know how to select your optional, I have already made a separate video on that. The link will be given in the description box below. So please kindly watch it. And now coming to the relevant part, how to prepare sociology. The first thing is to prepare any optional, you have to develop an interest with the subject because in UPSC optional is the most important aspect. So you have to spend number of days preparing for optional so that first develop interest with the subject. And once you have developed interest, the first thing you are supposed to do is read your basic books, that is read NCRTs. And for sociology we have four NCRTs, and after finishing NCRTs we have to read IGNO study material, because before reading standard books or any other coaching materials, if you read IGNO study material you will get a basic idea what sociology is about, so that you will understand all the concepts very clearly. So if you ask me what is the list of chapters that should be read from IGNO material, here I have listed out some chapters. Let's have a look. So the first one is emergence of sociology in Europe, historical materialism. And the next one is forces, relations and modes of production. After that, class and class conflict, the dialectics and social change, sociology as science, ideal types, methodology, religion, division of labor, capitalism, the concept of social system. So these are the some of the important chapters related to IGNO material, and these chapters are available on ESO 13 block. So you can go and download that blog and you will find all these chapters. So once you have finished reading these chapters, you can go for MSO 04 block, and from this you can cover paper 2, that is paper 2 of sociology. So once you have finished reading your NCRTs and IGNO material, the next immediate thing you are supposed to do is you have to go through the syllabus and you have to analyze the previous year question papers. So once you have analyzed the previous year question papers, the next thing you are supposed to do is you have to start reading your standard books. So in standard books also there are many books to read, but what you have to do is you have to select only particular standard book for each paper. Here I have listed out some books, that is for paper 1 you can go through Harlambus and Holborn themes and perspective book, which is popularly called as blue book. And after finishing that book you can once you can read fundamentals of sociology by Vikas Ranjan. And if you don't find this book helpful, that is if you don't find fundamentals of sociology helpful, you can skip that and you can go for essential sociology, which is written by Nitin Sangwan. And for sociology paper 2 you can go for applied sociology, that is Indian society structure and change, which is also published by Vikas Ranjan. This is for paper 2. And along with this you can also see some other books like you can go for results or whatever you find you want to read, you whatever you find important you can read that. So according to me, in paper 2 you can follow essential sociology, and once you have finished reading essential sociology you can go through modernization of Indian tradition, which is Yogendra Singh book. And after that you can also read Indian society and culture. So these are the books that are for required for paper 1 and paper 2 in my opinion. So if you want to read another book, or if you want to skip these books, and if you want to just follow coaching center materials, it's okay, you can also do that. It is totally based on you. And now after finishing your standard books, the next immediate thing you are supposed to do is you have to make notes. So you have to make notes from NCRTs, standard books and IGNO materials. That is, you have to compile all the notes and you have to make a single note out of them. And once you have finished making notes, you have to also make mind maps, because when you make mind maps, these mind maps will help you to revise the concepts in a very faster manner, and they will also help you to add relevant information from current affairs. So after finishing note making, the next thing you are supposed to do is you have to join any test series, that is when you have completed your 80% of syllabus, you are ready to join test series, and you have to start practicing answers. Because you know sociology, or not only sociology, every optional subject plays an important role in mains. Because in mains, optional, essay and ethics are the deciding factors, because these three these three will give you a huge mark difference. So my suggestion would be, when you finish your 80% of syllabus, please join any test series and start practicing answers. Don't think about your prelims result. Someone will think that after clearing prelims, let's join test series. But in my point of view, if you join test series for any optional after finishing 80% of the syllabus, that will be very good. When you clear your prelims, when you start revising the subject one more time, it will be very helpful for you, and it will also get you good marks in mains. So my suggestion would be, please join a test series once you have finished 80% of your syllabus. And after joining test series, the next immediate thing you have to do is, you have to try to improve your answer writing style. That is, you have to keep on changing your answer writing style. You have to keep on adding current affairs. You have to keep on adding relevant information for that particular notes you have made. So this is what you are supposed to do for sociology optional. I hope I have cleared all your doubts, and I have also gave you a brief strategy on how to prepare sociology. And if you ask me about analysis of previous year question papers, I will do it in another video. For today's video, this is about the strategy of sociology. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.